Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Catnap on Just Room Press on the new update, I guess. It's still going to be pretty similar, I'm not gonna lie. So this is just for you guys who has missed it. I don't know. Anyways, you're going to color your skin tone black for the mouth. And then you are going to, yes, you do need VIP for this and custom makeup if you have it. If you don't have it, you can use this one actually if you don't have the custom makeup. I know it's not the best to use because we're using this one, but it's similar and has like the white eyes that you can use. Okay, so now I'm actually going to use this one first and we'll do oversized on it, and then we're going to overlay it with this one, and let's do the turtleneck one as well, and we're going to color it the same as that. It's just to give it a more like a bulkier look, I guess. And then we're going to want these for the gloves. I'll do without the fur. Like I could go without the fur one. Oh, and also we need these. Okay, I don't know why it does that when I put on pants. Let's try another one. Okay, that still doesn't work. Okay, if that still doesn't work, I think I'm just going to leave it then and actually just use this and do type 3 and color it purple. And this one I'm going to leave the fur on, coloring it purple as well. Okay, then you are going to need this one right here and do the third one, I believe. Whoops. Okay, and we're going to use these for the ears. You can like layer more stuff since there's like new items here. Like you can use these like fur boots instead if you'd like, and like add some like depth to it. I don't know, it's totally up to you like how you want to style this and making it like a little bit better. Okay. For the shoes, I'll just wear this randomly. You can use again whatever shoes you like for this. Then you're going to need the mask. No feathers. Whoops. Then you'll need this hairstyle from the masculine section. And then I'm just going to add a tail. It's right here, by the way. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Then you're going to need the Halloween pose. Hopefully you have it still. And do the tall one. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. A kind of updated version on Catnap on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.